What if your home could feel calmer, brighter, and more luxurious without a complete renovation? The secret isn't buying expensive furniture or filling every corner with trendy decor. It's about choosing the right elements that create balance, warmth, and simplicity. That's exactly why Japandi Home Decor has become one of the most loved interior design styles across the United States. But here's the interesting part. Most people only copy the look while missing the design principles that make Japandi spaces feel so inviting. Today, I'll share 10 practical Japandi home decor ideas that professional designers use to create homes that are both beautiful and incredibly comfortable. And make sure you stay until the end because the final idea is the one that quietly transforms the entire atmosphere of your home. If you've been searching for a home that feels peaceful after a long day, Japandi Home Decor might be exactly what you're looking for. By combining the cozy warmth of Scandinavian design with the timeless simplicity of Japanese interiors, Japandi creates spaces that are elegant without feeling cold and minimal without feeling empty. In this video, you'll learn how to apply these ideas whether you live in a spacious house, a suburban home, or a small apartment. We'll cover furniture selection, color palettes, lighting, materials, space planning, and the subtle details that make a room feel professionally designed. Let's get started. Tip 1. Start with a calm color palette. Every successful Japandi home begins with color. Instead of bold contrasts or vibrant accent walls, this style embraces soft, natural tones that instantly create a relaxing environment. Think warm whites, creamy beige, soft taupe, muted gray, warm oak, olive green, and earthy browns. These colors reduce visual noise and make your home feel larger and brighter. One mistake many homeowners make is mixing too many trendy colors together. Even beautiful furniture can look chaotic when every piece competes for attention. Professional designers often limit a room to just 3 or 4 dominant colors. This creates visual harmony and allows natural materials to become the stars of the space. Would this color palette work in your home? Tip 2. Choose furniture with purpose. Now let's look at the furniture. Japandi isn't about filling every empty corner. Instead, every piece should have a purpose while maintaining clean, timeless lines. Look for furniture with simple silhouettes, rounded edges, and visible wood grain. Low-profile sofas, solid wood coffee tables, floating cabinets, and streamlined dining chairs all fit beautifully into the Japandi aesthetic. Scale and proportion matter just as much as style. Oversized furniture can overwhelm a room, while pieces that are too small make a space feel disconnected. Before buying anything new, ask yourself one simple question. Does this piece improve both the function and the feeling of the room? Tip 3. Layer natural materials. Here's why designers love Japandi interiors. They feel rich without relying on excessive decoration. The secret is texture. Instead of decorating with dozens of accessories, layer different natural materials throughout the room. Pair light oak with linen fabrics, woven baskets, handmade ceramics, cotton throws, stone accents, and soft wool rugs. Each material adds depth while maintaining a calm appearance. One common mistake is purchasing everything from the same collection. Ironically, perfectly matching furniture often makes a room feel less authentic. Mixing natural textures creates a home that feels collected over time rather than staged overnight. Tip 4. Let natural light become the main feature. Natural lighting is one of the most powerful design tools in any Japandi home. Rather than blocking windows with heavy curtains, choose sheer linen drapes or light cotton panels that gently filter sunlight. As daylight moves across wood surfaces and textured fabrics, it creates warmth that artificial lighting simply can't replicate. If your room doesn't receive much sunlight, use layered lighting instead. Combine ceiling lights, floor lamps, table lamps, and warm LED bulbs to mimic natural illumination. Avoid cool white lighting whenever possible. Can make beautiful natural materials appear flat and lifeless. Tip 5. Master the art of negative space. Here's something many people misunderstand about minimalism. Empty space isn't wasted space. In Japandi design, negative space gives your eyes a place to rest. It highlights your favorite furniture instead of competing with it. You don't need to decorate every shelf or cover every wall. Leave breathing room around furniture. Allow artwork to stand alone. Keep tabletops simple. Professional interior designers understand that restraint often creates more impact than adding another decorative object. Have you ever noticed how luxury homes often feel less crowded than ordinary homes? That's not an accident. Tip 6. Create a strong focal point. Every room should immediately guide your attention toward one beautiful feature. In the living room, it might be a solid oak coffee table or a sculptural sofa. In the bedroom, it could be a beautifully upholstered headboard. In the dining room, perhaps a handcrafted pendant light becomes the centerpiece. Without a focal point, the eye keeps wandering, making the room feel visually confusing. Everything else should quietly support the main attraction instead of competing with it. That's how professional designers create visual flow throughout a home. Tip 7. Bring nature indoors. Another simple change can completely transform the feeling of your space. Add plants. Not dozens of them, just a few carefully selected varieties. An olive tree, rubber plant, fiddle leaf fig, bonsai, or a simple arrangement of fresh branches instantly softens modern interiors. Natural elements improve visual balance by introducing organic shapes among clean architectural lines. Pair greenery with handcrafted ceramic pots or textured stone planters for an even more authentic Japandi look. The goal isn't creating an indoor jungle. It's creating a subtle connection between your home and nature. Tip 8. Decorate with meaning, not quantity. When styling shelves or tables, remember that Japandi celebrates intentional living. Instead of displaying every souvenir or seasonal decoration, choose pieces that have character and craftsmanship. A handmade vase, a stack of beautiful design books, textured ceramic bowl, a wooden sculpture, a linen candle. These carefully selected objects tell a story without creating clutter. One mistake many homeowners make is buying decor simply because there's an empty surface to fill. In Japandi design, every object should contribute to the atmosphere. If it doesn't, it probably doesn't belong there. Tip 9. Make function beautiful. Beautiful rooms aren't just attractive. They work effortlessly. Hidden storage, floating cabinets, multifunctional furniture, woven baskets, and organized shelving help maintain the calm appearance that defines Japandi interiors. When everyday items have dedicated storage, visual clutter disappears almost automatically. This is especially important for apartments and smaller homes where every square foot matters. Remember, organization isn't separate from design. In Japandi interiors, organization is part of the design. Tip 10. Add warmth through personal details. Finally, let's talk about what truly makes a house feel like home. The most memorable Japandi interiors aren't perfect. They're personal. Display a meaningful piece of artwork. Frame a favorite black and white photograph. Use handmade pottery collected during your travels. Choose books you'll actually read. These personal touches create emotional warmth while preserving the simplicity of the overall design. The goal isn't to copy someone else's Pinterest board. It's to create a home that reflects your own lifestyle while embracing timeless design principles. Which of these Japandi home decor ideas would you try first? As you've seen, creating a beautiful Japandi home isn't about spending more money. It's about making thoughtful decisions that improve balance, comfort, and functionality. Start with a calming color palette. Choose furniture with intention. Layer natural textures. Maximize natural light. Embrace negative space. Create a clear focal point. Bring nature indoors. Decorate with meaningful objects. Keep your home organized. And most importantly, make the space uniquely yours. Small improvements made consistently often have a much bigger impact than one expensive makeover. Whether you're redesigning a single room or refreshing your entire home, these principles will help you create a space that feels timeless, peaceful, and welcoming for years to come. If you enjoyed these Japandi home decor ideas, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more interior design inspiration every week. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Which tip inspired you the most, and what part of your home are you planning to update first? And if you're looking for even more minimalist design inspiration, be sure to watch our next video where we share beautiful Japandi living room ideas that make any space feel larger, brighter, and effortlessly elegant.